I want to thank you all for coming for our renovation celebration. I'd like to just talk a little bit about this journey that we've been on. It's been quite extensive. First of all, this journey did start back 5 years ago, believe it or not. Not when we broke ground, obviously, but the planning process. In 2014, the board made a decision to do the renovation and charged management with executing that plan. And it's been quite an undertaking, so thank you guys.
It's so neat, you can walk by and you see no change at all. And you come in and it's like, oh my God, it's like, where did this new building come up from? And that's what's quite great about Portsmouth. We have this beautiful collection of old buildings that we take care of and we not repurpose them, but we just continuously use them and use them effectively. All right, we'll do this together. I hope the ribbons are sharp.
There you go.